Curtains are all set to go up on the world's biggest and India's first of its kind initiative to find innovative digital governance solutions. Smart India Hackathon Finale will begin simultaneously from 26 different locations in the country on Saturday. The finale will last 36 hours, in which around 10,000 engineering students would have the opportunity to innovate for the future of governance. The task cut out for these young innovators would be to offer complete digital solutions for around 600 problem statements presented by 29 government departments under various ministries. The solutions would need to be arrived at through programming to create computer softwares or mobile apps. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the hackathon at 10 p.m. on Saturday via video conferencing and engage the young minds with thoughts and ideas on a myriad of issues.
जनता को जो भी दिक्कतें आती है छोटी छोटी, और उस दिक्कतों को कम करने के लिए जो समाधान चाहिए वो डिजिटल समाधान जिसके संभव है, ऐसे ये सारे 600 प्रस्ताव हैं। और इन 600 प्रस्तावों पर अब ये फाइनली 10,000 छात्र काम करेंगे। इससे डिजिटल इंडिया को, इससे इनोवेशन इंडिया को, इससे मेक इन इंडिया को, तीनों मिशन को इससे बढ़ावा मिलता है।
The HRD ministry is organizing such a hackathon in India for the first time, having taken a cue from developed countries. 7,531 teams of approximately 42,000 students responded with ideas to the problem statements identified by government departments. And out of them, 1,266 teams of 10,000 participants from 28 states were shortlisted for the finale. Some of the governance challenges to which solutions are being sought are online toll collection, smart transport management, cybercrime prevention, geofencing of airports, smart drones for securing airspace, real-time monitoring of attendance of teachers, and issues related to nuclear energy. In the finale, the software created by young innovators will be evaluated by judges drawn from the respective ministry and industry experts, and the best solutions will be awarded with cash prizes of 1 lakh rupees, 75,000 rupees and 50,000 rupees for the top 3 teams respectively. The awarded software will also be used by the concerned ministry or department for improving their governance systems, if necessary, with suitable upgrade. The government department or ministry concerned will also provide financial help to convert these projects into startups. All in all, the hackathon is intended to promote innovation and out-of-the-box thinking among young minds and make them active partners in the development of a new India. With Nishant Saurabh, Bureau Report, DD News.